Hey guys, it's roxychowdown. Welcome to my kitchen and thanks so much for stopping by. Today I'll share with you my perfectly crispy and finger-licking jumbo popcorn shrimp recipe. Love shrimp? Then click the like button. So guys, I remove these little white things out of my eggs when I'm preparing them, but you can leave them in. It's quite harmless. Please drop a comment below and tell me if you remove these white parts, and if you do, tell me why. So I just have to take the time to say big up and enough love to all my subscribers. Thanks so much for taking the time to support my channel. I'm dedicating this quick, easy, and delicious shrimp recipe to you guys. If you have not yet subscribed and you're enjoying this video, please click the subscribe button below to show me some love, and feel free to send in your recipe requests. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.